Hey everyone, it's Neil and I've been standing on my feet all day and I got the solution for that right here. So check this out. This is a foot massager by COMFIER and I'm gonna try this thing out. I'll probably move over onto the other side of the couch just so it'll be a little bit more comfortable and longer, closer to the outlet. So let's open this up and I'll show you guys what we've got. So this is, oh, that's everything. Everything's out of the box. So this is it here. So it comes with a power cord and a remote control. And then our feet will go in here. Here's the little peel off, satisfying peel, I guess. I don't know. It's funny. It's like labeled on the outside and on the inside. See, it's got the little label on there. I thought maybe I was peeling off the sticker, but it does have everything on there. So, and then we'll open this up here. And there's the instructions. Probably don't need those initially. And here's the power cord. It's got a little adapter with a little barrel connector. And then we have the remote control here. But it looks like it's may have opened up. Oh, it comes open. So there, and it comes with a little battery in a separate little pouch. So we will put the battery into the remote. And then put the cap on. I think it's on. I guess we'll see once we connect it up. Okay. So it looks like it's going to be able to do kneading, air, vibration, and heat with different levels, low, medium, and high for each one of these items. So actually, I think I will stay here, but I'll be right back. Let me just go get a plug for this thing, a wire. Okay, so I found a place to plug it in, and here we are. Lights up. Hopefully it's going to be enough power. I'm actually powering it from this little thing. But let's see how this works here. I'll stick my feet in. Let me move over here a little bit. So there, I am on there. Let's see if I hit power. Oh, so the remote works. So I can hit power. Ooh. So right now, okay, I'm going to say, I'll explain to you what's going on here and show you guys it there. Right now, I have it. It's definitely kneading. I feel the kneading. It is kneading. It's got, man, it's got something like up there and then down here. It's got a few different kneading areas. And so like here's, look, I'll show you the remote as I go through. So let me just do, there, turn everything off except for knead. So now I am only kneading. So there's that. And then I'm gonna guess, is that the kneading? Nope, that's vibration. Oh, that's pause. I don't know how to increase. That's just the beep. That's air. So now I can turn it on high air. That was vibration. That was sound. That's obviously heat. I'm not sure how to turn the kneading higher and lower from this. Oh, that's this button right here. It's got the picture right there. So there, now I'm on medium. And now, oh man, oh, I feel, so what the air does is it's got compression on it. How funny. So let me turn it high. So that's totally squeezing in my feet in there. That's pretty cool. And then the vibration is, yeah, the thumping sound, the thumping feeling. And the heat, I don't know if I like the heat. I felt the heat. But that and that, those are pretty cool. It's easy to just push the buttons on there. I could be pushing them on here. It's funny. So there, it's off, low, medium, high. So you just have to learn which button does what. Or actually, you could look at it. So that one's with the air. That one is kneading. That one is heat. That one's vibration. That's pausing it, powering off. And then the sound, I don't know what other sound option there would be. I don't know. But wow, holy mackerel. This is on high now. This feels so good. I feel it on my heel. There's like one on my heel. And then there's squeezing there and rotating and kneading it. It's all on the bottom. I don't feel anything. There's nothing going on the top other than just the pressure up against the top. I guess you really wouldn't want to because you don't have any, um, there's no fat or anything down there. It would just be hitting bone, I guess, on the top. So all you feel is the tension up there. But wow, this feels so good on my feet. I need this. I so badly. This is so good. Well, I think I'm going to go sit on this for a couple of hours. But okay, but I'm going to say this thing is the greatest. If you guys need a foot massager, this is the one to get. Holy macro. And the air, it like lets out air and then puts more air in. See, it's a Shiatsu massage, I guess is what they call it. But wow, feels so good. I'm going to be sitting in here for a while. So while I'm sitting here, you guys can watch some of my other videos or something. But thumbs up. This is awesome.